It's no secret that YouTube features numerous creators who are making millions or tens of millions of dollars from their channels in ad revenue. But what if I told you that these same top level creators are also making millions of dollars from this lucrative business by the name of Shopify Dropshipping? That is right, guys. Huge YouTube creators such as Logan Paul, Roman Atwood, or even Mr. Beast have all reportedly earned over $5 million in a single year selling YouTube merchandise, with Logan Paul's earnings coming in between $30 and $40 million in his first year of selling merchandise alone. So in this video, I am going to help a YouTube friend of mine start up a Shopify dropshipping business on his channel in hopes that it is successful and he secures a massive profit in his first week. With the intro out of the way, I wanted to let you guys know that for this challenge, I decided to partner up with a YouTube friend of mine who has a channel with over 70,000 subscribers called JJ Buckner. On his channel, he talks about everything in the world related to stock market investing, and he is best known for drinking an ice cold beer and talking about investing in the stock market. So for that reason, I helped him create a stunning new merchandise website called drinkbeerbystocks.com that features all different types of shirts, hats, cozies, or even beer glasses that say "Drink Beer, Buy Stocks." Over the last month or two, JJ has worked extremely hard coming up with designs for his merch, getting custom pictures done for his website, and I helped him put all of that together by creating and building out his Shopify store. But now tomorrow, after over 1 month of anticipation, JJ is officially launching his website, drinkbeerbystocks.com, and you guys will get to see how much a 70,000 subscriber YouTube channel actually makes from selling merchandise. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 1 of this challenge. Good morning
to the best family on YouTube.
Today marks an absolutely amazing day for the merch company as it is the official launch of drinkbeerbystocks.com. To promote the site today, JJ is going to be posting both an Instagram feed post and story promoting all of the merch on the website. His Instagram audience is a little bit over 5,000 people, and although that is nothing to sneeze at, it's still way lower than his audience on YouTube of about 70,000 subscribers. So guys, don't expect anything too crazy today in terms of sales, but I wouldn't be surprised if we still do well over $100. Well, I was wrong. JJ Buckner's story and Instagram feed promotion must have really hit home with this audience because sales started coming in like crazy. Literally within the first 5 hours after launching the site, it hit $374.87 in sales off of just 132 visitors alone. That's a conversion rate of over 7.5%. Guys, I am absolutely in shock right now. The website drinkbeerbystocks.com is at nearly $400 in revenue in literally 5 hours after going live, which is absolutely insane, and it's more money than I ever would have thought it would make in the first day. If JJ gets any more sales on his website either today or tomorrow, I will be sure to let you guys know, but I'm already absolutely amazed at how well the site is doing from just his Instagram following alone. I can't wait until Thursday, which is 2 days from now, when JJ starts promoting his website on YouTube. Over the next 48 hours, sales continue to come in on the Shopify store at a rate faster than Lightning McQueen himself. By the end of day 1 on this challenge, sales reached over $730.56, and by day 2, sales reached over $800, which came all from JJ promoting the new merch on a quick YouTube live stream. Guys, the fact that we are at over $800 in sales in just 48 hours is absolutely insane to me, and I want to know how my friend JJ is feeling about all of this, so I asked him a few questions, and here is his video response.
Hey, real quick guys, what's going on? So Will wanted me to answer a few questions for you all, and the first one is, what are your thoughts on the website making $800 in the first 48 hours? I'll be honest with you, I'm still shocked. I mean, I haven't even announced this yet on my YouTube channel, which is where predominantly most of my traffic comes from. So with me just releasing this to my small Instagram following. Was not expecting to make this amount of money within just 2 days. I mean, to be honest, it's pretty crazy for selling freaking t-shirts. And then lastly, he asked, what is the total profit from the $800 in sales? It comes out to be roughly just over $500 in profit.
Hello everybody and welcome to day 3 of this challenge. Today should be another big day in revenue for the website as JJ is launching it to his YouTube audience today. He just released a YouTube video titled My Next Big Business, quitting YouTube exclamation point, and literally in the first minute of the video, he gives a huge plug to his new website.
The merch is officially live. All new t-shirts are out, hats, beer glasses, koozies, everything but the shirts are limited time offers while supplies last. So if you're interested in getting the new merch now, click the link down below in the description and check out the brand new website that I created.
Within the first hour of the video being live, it clocked in over 1,100 views, and those views brought in 88 visitors to the website with nearly $80 in revenue. That's definitely not a bad start to the day, and if anything else interesting happens, or if any more sales come in, I will be sure to let you guys know. As time progressed, JJ Buckner's YouTube video with the beautiful clickbait title continued to garnish views beautifully, and by Saturday, October 24th, the video had nearly 5,000 views and sales reached massive levels. What's poppin', guys? I just finished filming a YouTube video where I invested $500 into Pokemon cards, so I apologize for the messy background, but anyways, as you guys can see on my phone, JJ's video got a total of almost 5,000 views in the past 2 days where he promoted his merch, and that brought in about $330.25 in the last 2 days worth of Shopify sales. Today is already day 5 of this challenge, and since it all began, JJ has been working extremely hard at promoting the new website to his audience. But for these next 2 days, however, he won't be able to promote the website as much since he's on a little business trip in New York, drinking beer with his buddy Brad. So for these next 2 days, you guys will get to see how much money drinkbeerbystocks.com makes with little to no promotion whatsoever. And just like that, over the next 24 hours, JJ enjoyed his time in the beautiful state of New York. On Sunday, one fat sale came in for $18.95 from yours truly because I wanted to support my boy JJ, and even though I don't drink beer or buy stocks that often, the item I bought is pretty cool and it would be funny to keep around the house to show guests. In case you guys are wondering what I decided to buy from the website, I decided to buy this 16-ounce pint glass with the Drink Beer by Stocks logo, and it's currently on the way, so let's go JJ, good customer service. On the final day of the challenge, website traffic absolutely exploded as JJ arrived home from his business trip 1 day earlier than I expected, and he posted both on his Instagram story and his YouTube channel promoting the SHIT out of his clothing company. It is currently a little bit past midnight, and as you guys can see, today finished off pretty rough for the business, even though we got quite a lot of traffic on the website. In all honesty, I think everyone who thought about buying merch from JJ's website already did at this point, so it makes sense that sales are starting to slow down. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow for the last day of this challenge, where I report how much cash we actually made. In total, after 7 days of Shopify dropshipping on YouTube, the website earned a total of $1,215.46 from selling 34 different pieces of merchandise and getting 773 visitors on the website. On top of that, throughout this week-long challenge, the website averaged a conversion rate of over 4%, and 3% of customers who originally bought merch from drinkbeerbystocks.com returned to buy more. With all of this good news in mind, it is time to do what my boy JJ Buckner does best and crack open a nice cold ginger ale to celebrate. If you guys want to try Shopify dropshipping just like I did in this video, please be sure to go to the top link down below in the description, get yourself a 14-day Shopify free trial, and start making some fat cash. This ginger ale is actually pretty good. I give it like a 8 or 9 out of 10, not bad.